Hi, welcome to Numerals Academy. In this video, I'll be teaching you addition and subtraction of Roman numeral. Addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of Roman numeral. If you have not watched our videos on Introduction to Roman numerals, I would advise you to go and watch first before you come for the addition. So let's take some examples. Example number one. Example number one, we have xc plus lx. Before you can add numerals together, you cannot just take them by the letters you're seeing. You must interpret the letters. You must interpret the numerals to the numbers that we understand, the natural numbers that you know very well. So what is x? Remember from the previous video, x is 10 and then c is 100. Like we said in the video, when small number comes before bigger number, you are expected to subtract the small number from the bigger number to have a number. So this is 10, this is 100, so definitely this is 90. 90 plus, what about this? L is 50 and x is 10. L plus 10, because when bigger number comes before smaller number, we add it up. So L plus x will give me 60. So this is 60. Now 90 plus 60, what does it give? That's correct, 150. 150. Mind you, you are adding Roman numeral by Roman numeral, then your final answer should also be in Roman numeral. So how do I write 150 in Roman numeral? The answer is even suggested to you from the question given. Therefore, I need to break it down. 150. 100 is a C. 100 is a C, and 50 is a L. Then how do I put this together to make 150? Then that is CL. So CL is my answer to XC plus LX. Let's take another example. Example number 2. Example number 2, we have X I plus L. So with this, what do we have? X I plus L. Now what do we have here? Let's firstly convert the Roman numeral to natural number before we can really understand. This is 10, 10, 10, that's 30. 1, 2, 3, that's 33. So this is 33 plus L. L is 50 and this is 3. So we have 53. So this is 53. Now 53 plus 33, correct, that's 86. Now how do I write 86 in Roman numeral? How do I write 86 in Roman numeral? Now I'll have to break it down. From where do I break it down? I know 50, right? So we'll begin from 50, break it down, plus what else can I add? Can I add 20? 20 is XX, so we start from 10. So plus 10, plus another 10, plus another 10, and then plus 6. So you have to break it down to make up with 86 of the Roman numeral that really exist and that are simple to write. So if L is 50, what about 10? 10 is X plus X plus X plus, how do I get 6? Remember that 6 is 5 plus 1. So you have to follow suit to say L plus X plus X plus X plus, what's your 5? V. You remember? V is your 5. So V then plus I. So when we join all this together, that gives you 86. L X X X V I. So this is 86. So this can definitely be read as 86. Should any of this letter be misplaced, let's say X comes before L, you have a different figure, or I becomes V before V, or V comes before this X, you will have a different number. So when you add together, you're expected to then break it down to the Roman numerals that you know, then you combine them together such that the addition of what you have and the subtraction of what you have still gives you what you are supposed to convert back to Roman numeral. Let's take examples on subtraction. That's example number 3. So this time we have M, D, minus DC. Now I have gone to the bigger part. I've gone to a very larger part of Roman numeral. What is MD in Roman numeral? Remember from our previous video, M is what? 1000, correct. So this is 1000 and D is what? 500. So this 1500 minus, what about our DC? D is what now? D is 500. And what about C? C is 100. So I have said it that when smaller number comes after bigger number, you add up. So 500 plus 100, that gives you 600. So now 1500 minus 600 gives 900. That's correct. 900. Now that you have 900, how do you convert 900 back to Roman numeral? So in this case, you would think of a figure of Roman numeral that is O and closer to this 900. Is 500 closer or 1000 closer? What is closer?